Hello traders, how are you doing? I'm doing alright. In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful tool and a powerful indicator. By using this, not only can you take buy and sell trades, but you can also observe a lot about the market. You'll be able to see the market support levels, order blocks, fair value gaps, everything. You'll even know when to enter the market. Here, you can see some lines on the screen. Now, let me explain what this is about. Here, you can see a support area is visible. The first support area of the market can be seen here, is visible. After this, you can see a black colored order block is visible. How should you take a buy entry, whether you want to do day trading or scalping? If you want to do scalping, this will also give you very perfect entries. And if you want to do great reading, it will also give you very perfect entries. Now here you can see the support areas and resistance areas. You must be seeing them. Now let me move to the lowest level from where the market made a sudden move. You can see this in gold. Here you can see an order block in the market. Now after an order block forms in the market, how will you know how and where to buy? Simply, in this indicator, you can see all kinds of trend lines. You must be seeing the change of structure. You must be seeing buy and sell signals, which you can use for scalping as well as for trading. Now, let me talk about the concept you need to use for day trading. My English is weak, so please don't mind. Here you can see an order block. The market first comes down bearishly. It comes down bearishly. The market does not break its trend line. The market then goes up again. And after breaking this trend line, you can see a corner forming here. After this corner forms, the market comes down again. It does not break its trend line again. Here, you must have already seen the order block. Okay, again, when the market breaks this MSB level, you can clearly see the buy entry beforehand. When this trend line is broken, if you want to take a perfect entry with no risk at all and you want to do day trading, then as soon as the market breaks the MSB, breaks the change of structure, you can enter comfortably. You will getting a buy signal here and you can place your entry from here. If you don't want to place it from here and want to trade even more safely, then as soon as the market gives a BO, breaks the S, you can enter comfortably. Okay, now after entering from here, you can book your profit. See how amazing the profit this market has given you. Now, let's move on to the next signal. The market comes again, you get a bear signal. Now the market breaks its trend line. You get a bear signal because you can see the market's trend here. This is a dashboard showing a box money mindset. Here you can see the trend is bullish. So if we want to take a selling trade, then we have to make a short trade. This is where our short trade was made. After making the short trade, the market reaches its support area. This is the market support area. The market does not break its trend line. It closes above it. No candle breaks below it. Again, the market goes up and breaks its trend line. You are already getting a buy signal that a buy can be made from here. Now you need confirmation. As I mentioned, if you want to trade safely, then you have to wait after the buy signal comes. Normally this candle already confirms that a buy has been made, but if you still want to wait to trade safely, then let the change of structure happen. The first concept is that you got a support area, then after that you also got a trend line breakout. After getting the breakout, you also got a change of structure. What more confirmation do you need than this? After this, you can buy here with peace of mind. Okay, these are the buying levels. Alright, again the market comes down. Here, you will also get color changing. If the market changes its trend, after getting a selling signal, you will also see color changing here. In this indicator, trend lines, change of structure, order block, fair value gap, support and resistance, everything has been added. By using this indicator, not only can you trade, but you can also learn a lot from the market. Beginners use this indicator. This is such an indicator that if you understand it, you will never incur a loss from trading in your life. That's my promise to you. Now here, you are also getting a small trade, but you are trading against the market. This could be your short trade, meaning you can call it scalping. Okay, now here you got a short trade. The market structure, the market has broken its trend line. After the break, you get a signal. But as I told you, after the MSB is broken, after the change of structure, you can easily place a trade and you will get 100% profit, just like I am explaining the concept to you. Even after the trend line is broken, you should still wait. After waiting, let the MSB break. Let there be a change of structure and only then take an entry here. After entering, you can scalp for profit on 1 or 2 candles because you are trading against the market. So this will be a short trade. Okay, the market goes up again, and after going up, the same concept applies. Market change of structure, the market breaks its trend line, and after breaking it, because here the market has already made its high. You need to observe this. The market has already made a high here, and you will see a fair value gap here which it has tested. Okay, order block or fair value gap. Since the market has now tapped it, it is now finished from here because our concept has been broken. Okay, similarly in the market, the gap area here, you can see this gap area. You must have seen it. Okay, the market tapped it. After tapping, the order block or fair value gap that was here in the market has been broken. Now, since the market has broken through it and moved on, that's why you can't see it here anymore. How will you see it? Let me explain it to you. Okay, here you must be seeing order blocks and fair value gaps. Here you can clearly see support and resistance levels. So what is the thing here now? You can see all the fair value gaps and order blocks here. In this indicator, I have shown you everything. This is a support area, this is a support area, this is an order block. Okay, now let's move on to this concept in the market. Now you must be seeing here that the market is consistently moving sideways. Here you can comfortably do your scalping. The market takes its support area, then the market goes up again. Here there was a resistance area which has now been broken. That's why you can't see that resistance area here anymore, okay, because it has been broken. Now the market takes its support area, then the resistance area, then the support area again, then the resistance area, then the support area, then the resistance area. Now look here, the market went up, moved to the upside, and then the market comes down. Here it comes down from its trend line. As I said, until your market breaks the MSB, don't take an entry. Okay, the market hasn't broken any MSB from here. Okay, here you had a support area which the market made as its support area, and the market moved again and formed an order block. After forming the order block, as soon as the market broke its MSB, the change of structure, you can comfortably take an entry here. Here too, the same conditions apply. You can see an order block below. You can see a support area of the market, and the market has also broken its trend line. After breaking the trend line, the market also broke its change of structure. You can enter from here, and you got such strong confirmations here again. You got confirmation, the market went up again, up, all the way to here. You can see how much gold has gone up today. Now you must be seeing the support levels of gold in the market, and you can also see the order block area. Here you can also see the trend line. You can use this indicator on BTC, on gold. You can use it on every pair. This indicator will teach you everything you want to learn and help you become a beginner trader. Anyone who wants to get this indicator from me can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can use it on BTC, gold, every pair. My WhatsApp number is mentioned here. You can see my YouTube channel, WhatsApp number, and the chart I have opened on the screen. Okay, and here you can see a dashboard below where you can see the market's trend, validity, volume, everything on the basis of which you can trade. Once you have learned this in the market, If you learn how to use this indicator, you will never lose in the market. With this, we will meet again in the next video, inshallah. Until then, allow me to leave. Allah Hafiz.